loves, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well. The topic, the title, the general vibe of this video might be giving you deja vu. Some of you may even be rolling your eyes a little bit like, why, how is this different? What's different about this? Today, I thought I would talk to you guys about my current little fitness journey that I am on. I posted a couple of months ago a video about Healthy Girl Summer, Evolve with M, like talking about how excited I was about getting into the best shape of my life and working really hard, and that didn't end up happening for a few reasons behind the scenes. But I'm here today to tell you that rather than saying I am starting a fitness journey 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, whatever 0.0 we're on at this stage in my life, it's all just one journey really, isn't it? It's just different segments of the same journey. It's a bigger picture. I have already started this most recent fitness, lifestyle, health challenge, which if you follow me on Instagram, you will have seen. It is Project 265. So on Monday, the 3rd of October, it marked 65 days until my 26th birthday. Hence Project 265, 26 in 65. And you guys know that I am going to be working with Fitbit this year. So basically the campaign got pushed back because, very excitingly, they have launched their latest Fitbit. They basically wanted me to wait to do the campaign to wait for the new launch, which is why I've pushed everything back. So it's now kind of a finish your year strong, and for me start my new birth year the strongest I can be. So firstly, let's talk about the new Fitbit. So this is the Fitbit Sense 2. The one that I previously had was the Sense Original, and I absolutely loved it. I thought it was great. I wore it every single day, but obviously I have upgraded to the most recent model. It is slightly thinner. The screen is slightly thinner than the last Sense. I'm gonna read a few facts for you about the new Sense 2. So it's their newest and most advanced smartwatch. I think the most exciting and the kind of newest, biggest new feature is their stress management feature. So it says, the Sense 2 is equipped with a new and first of its kind continuous body response sensor for all-day stress management from your wrist. Along with CEDA, it uses metrics like heart rate variability, and skin temperature to help better understand when your body experiences stress. This way you can be aware of your triggers, create a stress management practice, and help to build your resilience over time. It also really focuses on your sleep, which I guess is a stress management technique. Its sleep profile provides a longitudinal analysis of your sleep each month. At the beginning of each month, you'll receive a sleep profile based on your previous month's data. It can also detect irregular heartbeats, which could be a really amazing tool for people who need it or people who don't know that they need it. The battery lasts for a week. You can consistently wear it day and night for the entire 7 days, and it will have enough charge to support that, which is a huge selling point for me because I also forget to charge things all the time. That's an amazing feature for me. It also has so many more workout options on it. So if you are gonna go start a workout on your watch, it has so many options. It has like weight training, strength training, rather than just like weight training. It has weight training, strength training, CrossFit training, and then it's got obviously like spin, it's got step, it's got dance, it's got like snowboarding, skiing. So you can accurately track, or as accurately as you can track, the exercise that you're doing, which I find just really satisfying. Rather than just putting generic workout, you can be more specific about the workout that you're doing, which I really, really like. Look back at my data and my past workouts and see what you were actually doing, which I think is quite nice. So I got the same color as my last Sense. This is the Lunar White and the Silver Aluminium watch. I really like the color of it. It's a little bit more interesting than the black, but the black goes with everything, so I guess it's just up to you and your preference. So I will be continuing to, as I already have from honestly since the beginning of my fitness journey, I'll be tracking my workouts using my Fitbit as well as my steps and my sleep. I check my sleep every single day because you guys know I just went through a huge sleep awakening, pardon the pun, and sleep is kind of a big priority for me. So you're getting a little bit dark. The sun is going in. Getting enough sleep and getting quality sleep is quite a big priority for me. So I like that I can track it every single night. So yeah, that is the Fitbit Sense 2, which I'll link down below if you guys would like to try it. It's an amazing tool to help with your overall health, well-being, movement, with all of these like lifestyle features like tracking your sleep. I've worn Fitbits for years and Honestly, I feel very naked without it on my wrist. You can also get like notifications from your phone and things like that, which is just so handy for me who loses their phone all the time. You can find your phone with your watch. Yeah, just great. Little preamble done. What is Project 265? What am I doing? So as I am filming this video, I am on day 5 of Project 265, so only 60 days to go. It is a challenge that I am running primarily on my Instagram. However, I will be also talking about it on my YouTube channel because it is going to be a big part of my life over the next few months. It is basically a challenge where I have to tick off 9 daily tasks every single day. So I will put my daily checklist here. These are all the things that I've been doing every single day so far and will continue to do every single day until my birthday, which is on the 7th of December. The sheer length of this challenge, 65 days is a long time. I chose very manageable tasks for me. Things that already fit into my lifestyle, things that I already do, but things that I sometimes lack consistency with. On top of my game, as consistent as I can be, and I thought that making it a fun challenge that you guys can get involved with if you would like to on your Instagram would just be a really great way to keep me accountable and have fun while I do it. 10,000 steps a day. For me personally, who works from home, very fortunate to have flexible time. It's quite easy for me to get 10,000 steps a day. So I try and do that every day anyway, but fail often. So 10,000 steps a day. Drink 2 liters of water a day. It's so good for your health. I am such a camel. I used to drink so much water and then I just kind of stopped. And my friends call me out on it all the time. I don't drink enough water, especially as a person who exercises as frequently as I do. I need to drink more water. So that's one of my check boxes. Reading 10 pages a day. It can be anything you want. You can read anything that makes you happy. I've got a couple of different books on the go depending on the mood I'm in. It's just not habitual for me. I don't do it every day. So I'll be reading every day. 10 minutes of tidying a day. Really struggle with it. I either don't tidy at all ever, or I have a day of hyperfocus and I exhaust myself. So finding this balance of a little bit every single day already for the past week has made a huge difference. My general flat is tidier because I'm tidying more often, but it's also making it feel less daunting because I know I just need to do 10 minutes. And that's enough time to fold my laundry, enough time to load the dishwasher and empty it. Like it's manageable, and it's honestly one of my favorites on the list at the moment. It's really, really helping me. A daily gratitude list. Every night before bed, I write 3 things that I am grateful for that day, and I pop it in my notes on my phone. No one needs to see it, no one will see it, but it's little things. If I'm in a negative headspace, going back and reading previous gratitude lists is a really great tool to have on hand. Writing one every single day makes you immediately practice gratitude because you have to think about the day you've just had. But it's also great in the future for future you who may be struggling and finding fewer reasons to be grateful, as many reasons as I know I have. It's hard to see them sometimes when you're in a darker place. So reading previous gratitude lists is a really beneficial thing for me personally, so I am doing that for myself. I'm limiting alcohol and takeaways. I'm allowing myself 1 day a week where I can drink. I want this 60 days to be balanced, and I don't want to cut out anything at all. So I'm just cutting back and just gonna do 1 night. If I want to go out clubbing with my friends, I can go out clubbing with my friends. But like, I won't drink throughout the week or anything like that, which honestly I don't really do anyway. I only really ever drink on the weekends, or like if I'm going to the pub with my friends on like a Thursday night. But I don't drink at home ever. If I'm especially alone, I don't drink alone ever. Rather than going out on Friday night and Saturday night, just doing one or the other. And takeaways, I have been really bad recently, not at home, but when I'm with people, when I'm out with other people, I've been ordering in a lot of food recently, which is not something that I've never really been a big like Uber eater, but in the past couple of months, that has definitely been more a part of my life. So I would like to cut that back for my wallet and for my waistline. Posting a daily accountability reel on my Instagram. So every single day for the next 65 days, you guys are getting a little vlog style reel. It's just to music, just showing me ticking off a few of the things. They're pretty light-hearted, pretty high energy, fun little videos. I show what workout I do that day, what I'm eating that day, if I see friends, just like a little vlog. And I really like making them, they're really fun, but they also hold me accountable. Like if you guys don't see I'm doing a workout in the video, it's because I've not done one. It's an accountability thing for me. That is Project 265. It's just entering in my 26th year, celebrating my birthday, feeling physically and mentally the best I possibly can. And I'm really enjoying it so far. It's the same concept as Project 50, which I did in January. If you've not been around since then, I did something very similar for 50 days. So I know I can do it. Project 50 was harder than this one. This one's got less rules and like more, for me, more manageable rules. Oh, and also one of the rules is eating things that make you feel good. I didn't say that one. Food that fuels you, you enjoy. For me, I'm tracking my calories over the next 60 days and eating in a slight deficit because I would like to lose a little bit of fat. It's just a preference. It's a little fitness goal for me. That's not part of Project 265. Like fat loss is not the goal of Project 265, but for me it is the nutritional side. That is my focus at the moment. High protein and a slight calorie deficit. That is just for me. That is not me saying that that's what you should be doing in any stretch of the imagination. I would never ever tell you that, but just in transparency, when you see what I'm eating and I show you the foods I'm eating, just know that that's not my maintenance or a surplus or anything. That is a caloric deficit for me. So as always, never compare your food to mine or how much I eat next to you or anything like that. But just, yeah, I just want to give a little disclaimer there that I am currently in a deficit. I am trying to lose a little bit of weight. My own personal journey and not something that you need to do if it doesn't bring you joy at all, okay? Okay. I'm loving it. I'm really enjoying it. I'm feeling really good. Like 5 days in, I did say in the last Fitbit video that I'm gonna do like body checkups, things like that, which I will do still. I won't be doing that in the weekly vlogs because I want those to be a safe space. I don't want it to risk triggering anybody in the weekly vlogs because, you know, that's not why you watch them. I will be doing midweek dedicated fitness videos over the next like 2 months. When I do those, I will be doing check-ins and I'll talk about my workouts in more detail. I'm going to talk about my nutrition in a little bit more detail, but I'll be sure to give a disclaimer before that as well. And I will be showing you how I'm tracking my measurements, how I am tracking my weight, and I'll also be showing you my progress. But this is me kind of announcing that if you would like to join in or you just want to follow my journey, follow me on Instagram, EmmasRectangle, so you can watch it every single day. And there will be a few videos, probably 3 or 4 throughout the challenge dedicated to it, going on my YouTube channel as well. The final Project 265 video will be on my birthday. I'll post it on my birthday, and then probably one more kind of follow-up one after that, talking about maybe what I've learned or something like that. But I'm excited to track my progress, my physical progress, obviously also my mental progress, but for me that's not so easy for you to track. I'm excited to feel the changes, I'm excited to see the changes. I'm really enjoying it and I feel the most kind of on it with my fitness that I have in a while. Like obviously after a very busy summer, I was all over the place this summer. So it's really nice to have a little bit of my routine back. And like I said, I'll be documenting all of it on my Fitbit and also on my stories to kind of keep me accountable. I have been posting a screenshot of this. So this is the Fitbit app. And every day on my story, I post a screenshot of my end of the day so you can see how many steps I've done, how much exercise I've done that day. As just another way to kind of hold myself accountable. And you guys have been posting yours as well, which has been really fun. So no pressure to do any of these things yourselves, but I know you guys really enjoy my like dedicated fitness content, 10-week cut, 10 weeks in a deficit, and I'll let you know how I'm feeling, because this is a well-being challenge just as much as it is a physical fitness challenge. So yeah, I've linked the Fitbit Sense 2 down below in the description box if you would like to try it for yourself. Have a lovely, lovely day, and thank you for watching. Lots of love. Bye.